Good morning, students. So today we are going to see about the unit 2 of artificial intelligence. Unit 2 of the topic is basics of Python. So already we saw what is artificial intelligence, what are the types and examples in the real-time applications you are going to use in the AI. So the basics of Python of the unit 2, that is Python is one of the programming language, popular programming language you use in the artificial intelligence. So what are the examples and what are the functions are going to use in the basics of Python of the artificial intelligence. We will see the brief examples. So introduction part is a Python program, arithmetic operation, values and types, variables and expression, state, function, condition, regression, list functions, and then tuples and assignments. All those things comes under the unit 2. So the introduction of Python program. Python program is a popular program. Okay, so what is a Python? Python is a high-level interpreted and general purpose programming language. So what purpose you are going to use in the AI means simple syntax and readability. So easy to read and easy to text the program. So for example, they have given input as a plus b equivalent to c, or 1 plus 2 equivalent to 3. So these are the simple examples you are going to sort out in the Python program, and as well as how the Python programs are working in the computer and what are the backup of the Python program to working in the AI. We will see all those things in these part of the unit 2. Okay, so now coming to the part of the Python. So Python is a high level interpreted and general purpose programming language they can use. So nowadays is a most popular. You are going to read the simple syntax and readability of the Python program. So it is one of the most popular language used today, and wide range of the domain including web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automations, all those things kind of functions you are going to use in the Python programming language to establish of the function. So what are the key features of the Python means? Simple and easy to learn. Okay, so text in a closure to English. So interpreted language is nothing but line by line. So that already I told. No, for the example is line by line execution means you can write the example of the hello world. You can print the hello world. You can type the print hello world means that is the output of the hello world. So that is a simple way you can read and write the program. So that will control to the interpreted language. So dynamic type, no need to declare variable types and all. So cross platform is nothing but Windows, Mac OS, Linux, all those is comes under the cross platform of using the Python. And executive library is nothing but NumPy, Pandas, all those things. We will see the unit 3 chapter. And then object oriented means support class and object of this Python. And open source, Python is the open source, free to use and modify the language. Simple Python program I have given the two examples of Python program here. Hello world in Python. So now I am print only the hello world. So what is my output of the example? This hello world. That's all. So second one, simple addition. One program they have given, a equivalent to 5, b equivalent to 3. You can print the sum is a plus b. So what is the output of this function? Okay, 8. So these are the simple examples of the Python to elaborate of the interpreted language to using the AI function. So the next topic of the unit 2 is arithmetic operators in Python. Okay, so arithmetic operators are one of the Python they are using, they are getting in the problem solving, that is a mathematical operation. So arithmetic operation is nothing but used to perform the mathematical operation between the numerical values, and Python they allow basic arithmetic calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and more. So the types of the arithmetic operation they have given the operators, means and examples, meanings and examples. So plus is nothing but addition. So 4 plus 7, 11. Subtraction means minus 12 minus 5 is 7. So multiplication 6 into 6, 36. So like this they have given the arithmetic operations of using the Python language. So we will see the example of the arithmetic operation. So the next topic of the unit 2 is variable expression and statements function. Okay, So the concept of variable expression in statement or foundational, they are used to data processing and model training, decision making. So all those things we are going to use in the Python function here. So variable will store the data that can be used to manipulate an AI algorithm. So what is the learning rate of the AI, and model name is nothing but linear regression. So learning rate is a variable of the 0.01. Okay, so learning rate and model name, so both of the function you're going to model the variable expression and statement of the function using the Python programming language. So learning rate is nothing but control how fast the model learn. Okay, so that is a purpose is called it as a learning rate. So model name is a, you're going to be identify the algorithm be used. Okay, so what is the expressions of Python they have given? Loss is equivalent to predict and actual. So squared underscore the errors will be made means you can loss actual time. So these are the functions which comes under the variable and expression statement function. So the next topic is conditional and regression iteration function. So conditional already you know in the C++ function, C++ subject itself you learned about the if and else statements and all. So like that they have Python, they will give the simple example to solve the program of the condition while. So conditional are used to make the decision based on the data, essential in a logic based AI model evolution and control flow. So what are the examples they have given? Accuracy of 0.92. If accuracy less than 0.9 means if you can perform the model is well. Else print model needs improve. So the two criteria you're going to solve the condition function, one if and elif and else. So these are three function you're going to solve in the conditional problems. And regression is a example you can already know about the C++ program, right? So the regression you can find, you can call the function itself. So that is called it as a regression of the Python. So how to solve the repeating structure means tree structure, backtracking, minimaxing of the examples. So they have given the example of the factorial method. So def factorial of n, if n equivalent to 0 return 1, so return n star factorial n minus 1. So you can call regression is nothing but function call itself. Okay, so that is the call it of the both the functions of the condition and as well as regression of the Python AI.